morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So, kids, we already completed our two letters, letter M and letter N. Okay, and kids, today we are going to know about one new letter. Do you want to know which letter we are going to learn about? So, look here, kids. So, kids, today we are going to learn letter O. Which letter is this? This is letter O. Which letter is this? This is letter O. Okay. And what is the sound of letter O? O. Okay. So now kids, come and see some objects which start from letter O. Okay. So I am going to show you some objects and some things which are starting from letter O. So look here, kids. Which letter is this? First you have to see this side. Which letter is this? This is letter O. Okay. And now you have to see the formation of letter O. Okay. O is just look like a zero. Okay. Letter O is look like number 0. So first you have to see the formation of letter O. You have to start from here, then make curve, come down, then go up, make again curve and touch here. Okay, so this is letter O. Okay, now see kids, what is this? O for ox. O for ox. Okay. Now see. O for octopus. Okay. Where does octopus live? Do you know? Octopus live in water. Okay. So it's a water animal. O for octopus. Now see, what is this? This is very common. You all know about it. Okay, we use it in vegetables. So, what is this? This is onion. What is this? This is onion. O for onion. Now, look here, kids. What is this? It's a bird. Do you know its name? No? O for ostrich. O for ostrich. Okay, kids? So we have some animals and some things which is start from letter O. Okay? So let's revise one more time. O for ox. O for octopus. O for onion. And O for ostrich. Okay, so this is some animals and objects which is start from letter O. Okay, kids, now I have some more objects and things which are start from letter O. So come and see the video.
So kids, objects which start from letter O are O for orange, O for octopus, O for onion, O for ostrich and O for ox. Now kids, it's activity time. So let's start today's activity. So kids, for this activity, you have to make one big letter O, two big circles, two small circles, three small triangle shaped colored paper, and you have to cut two wings like this. Okay, then very first you have to paste this letter O in middle. Okay, then take one Fevicol drop this side and one this side. Then take one big circle and you have to paste it here. Okay, now I am taking the next big circle and this I am pasting here like this. Okay, now what you have to do, one Fevicol drop you have to put here and one this side. Okay, then now I am taking these two small circles and pasting on this big circle like this. Now I am taking other one, this also you have to paste here. Okay, now next what you have to do, you have to take some Fevicol in middle like this. Okay, now I am taking one triangle shape paper and this you have to paste here like this. Okay, now kids, take one drop of Fevicol this side and one this side. Okay, now I have this shape cutting, so I am pasting this here. Okay, and same I am taking second one and pasting this here. Okay, so now what you have to do, kids, now on the bottom you have to take one drop here and one drop this side and this side. Okay, this I am removing, this is not proper. Okay, now I have some triangle shape paper, so first I am taking and this I am pasting here and one more I have, so this I am pasting here. Okay, so now kids, our activity is over. So now kids, can you guess what is this? Yes, very good kids, this is O for. Now kids, I am taking word in our book English capital letters. So you have to open it and take out page number 44. Okay, so very first what you have to do, as always, you have to write here CW and today's date. Okay, so which letter is this, kids? This is letter O. Which letter is this? This is letter O. Now this side, see, which bird is this? This is O for ostrich. O for ostrich. Okay, and in its hand one fruit basket is there. Can you guess which fruit is this? No, kids, this is O for orange. O for orange. Okay, so this ostrich is eating orange. Okay, now come see this side. What is the formation of letter O? You have to start from here, make curve, come down, then go up, make curve and stop here. Okay, so you have to trace this big O. So you have to start from this ostrich mouth, and this ostrich wants to eat this orange. So you have to start from here, tracing it, and stop from this orange. Okay, so let's start and complete this. Make curve, make curve, come down, down, slowly, slowly, connect all the dots. Okay, then go up, up, and stop on this orange. Okay, so like this you have to complete this letter O. Okay, now kids, I have one question for you. Guess the fruit whose color is the same as its name. वो कौन सा फ्रूट है जिसका कलर उसके नेम के अकॉर्डिंग सेम है? सो आंसर इज ऑरेंज. ओके, what is the name of this fruit? Orange. And what is the color of this fruit? Orange. Okay, so orange is the fruit whose color and name is same. Okay, now come downside. Please circle the letter O and read the words aloud. So you have to see the picture and speak this name loud and circle the letter O. So, what is this? This is owl. O for owl. O for owl. So, you have to circle this letter O. Okay. Now, see. Next picture is, what is this? Octopus. O for octopus. O for octopus. So, you have to circle this also. Okay, now see, the next picture is O for onion. O for onion. Okay, so you have to circle this O also. Now kids, come to this side. This is your HW page. Okay, so what you have to do, this is letter O, so first you have to complete this tracing line. So start from here, make curve, come down, then go up, make curve and stop here. Okay, again start from here, make curve, come down, go up and make curve and stop here. Okay, so like this you have to complete this line. Now come to next line. In this box we have only single dot. Okay, so you have to start from this dot, then make curve, come down, go up and make curve and stop here. This is our O. Again start from this dot, make curve, come down, then go up, make curve and stop here. Okay, so like this kids, you have to complete this both line. So kids, see downside, here we have one activity. Okay, so here we have one blue octopus and this side we have one red octopus. So this blue octopus wants to say hi to this red octopus. So what you have to do, you have to join their both arms by making letter O. Okay, so you have to make here one dot. Okay, then what you have to do, from this dot make curve, come down, then go up, make big curve, go up and join here. Okay, so we have one big letter O. So you have to join this both octopus arms with a big letter O. So this is your activity. So kids, like this you have to complete this both pages and send me your CW and HW pics. Okay kids, bye bye, take care.